We've all sat through those awkward first 10 minutes of a webinar where the host is scrambling because the audio isn't working, or half the audience is stuck in a loop trying to download a mandatory plugin. It's a real problem. Clunky software and gate-kept access actually kill your attendance rates before you even say hello. When the tech is complicated, your message gets lost in the friction. Honestly, we just want a way to connect with our people without feeling like IT support. That's why we're looking at Livestorm. It's an all-in-one webinar platform that lives entirely in the browser, meaning your guests are just one click away from joining. Today, we're going to dive deep into Livestorm to see how it simplifies arranging online webinars and events. Let's start with one of the biggest hurdles in event planning, the sheer amount of manual work required to just get a date on the books. The interface here solves that by making the workflow intentional and centralized. It all starts with the calendar, which is pretty intuitive because it tackles the first problem, scheduling conflicts and lack of visibility. Instead of guessing, you get a clear view of your month. When you hit the Create Event button, a page pops up that handles the who, what, and when all at once. You give the event a name, manage access permissions, and schedule your sessions. What's great is that this creates your registration page automatically. No more spending hours on a separate website builder just to collect names. Once you click that final button, the event is live and visible in both your calendar and the Events tab. We were able to get our first test event set up within minutes, bypassing the usual setup fatigue. Now, once the event is scheduled, the next big headache is usually the middle ground, that period where you're trying to keep track of registrants and prepare your presentation. Most tools make you dig through buried menus to find your attendee list or change a setting. If you head over to the Events tab in Livestorm, you'll see how they fix this. After clicking an event, everything is laid out in clear sections: sessions, people, and email invites. It solves the problem of data silos by putting your communication and your participants in one view. When it's actually time to go live, the Access Room option takes you into the virtual stage. This is where Livestorm really shines as a solution for low engagement. In a typical webinar, people just stare at a screen, but here you can enable apps, share links, and launch public polls or Q&A sessions in real time. It turns a passive lecture into a conversation, solving the boredom factor that plagues most 2026 virtual events. This level of control is exactly why we think Livestorm is different from other tools. If you've ever hosted a large event, you know the chaos of trying to figure out who has the power to mute someone, who's supposed to be presenting, and who's just there to watch. The People section is designed specifically to solve this administrative mess. This part of the platform lets us manage our team members and attendees with granular control. We can assign specific roles like organizers or guest speakers, so nobody is clicking buttons they shouldn't be. It solves the security and flow problems that happen when everyone has the same level of access. If we need to bring in a moderator halfway through, we can do it right here. Having this organized hub keeps the behind-the-scenes work from leaking into the front-end experience for your audience. Here's where Livestorm really separates itself from the competition in 2026, the AI problem solvers. One of the biggest accessibility and content challenges with webinars is that they're live and gone. You host it, and then what? Livestorm tackles this with AI-powered features. First, there are live captions that transcribe your webinar in real time, which solves the accessibility problem for attendees who are deaf, hard of hearing, or in noisy environments. After the event, you can generate AI transcripts, making your content searchable and quotable. But here's the real game changer, the AI content repurposing tool. It automatically extracts key moments from your webinar and helps you create assets for social media, email campaigns, and other channels. Instead of your webinar being a one-time event, it becomes a content engine. Add in noise cancellation for crystal clear audio and replay captions in over 100 languages, and you've solved the one-and-done problem that most webinars suffer from. As we dug a bit deeper, we looked at how Livestorm handles the disconnected workflow problem. A huge pain point for businesses is having their webinar data live in a vacuum, never reaching their CRM or marketing tools. The Apps section is the bridge that fixes this. We can go into the marketplace and enable integrations that automate the boring stuff. For example, connecting to HubSpot or Salesforce means your leads move automatically into the webinar into your sales funnel. No more manual CSV exports or "oops, I forgot to follow up" moments. There's even a Miro integration for whiteboarding, which solves the problem of trying to brainstorm over a static screen share. By connecting to thousands of apps through Zapier, it ensures that your webinar isn't just an island, it's a functioning part of your entire business tech stack. Beyond integrations, Livestorm offers advanced capabilities that solve scalability and distribution challenges. You can run on-demand and fully automated webinars that work 24/7, meaning your best content is always available without you being live. The platform supports full HD 1080p streaming, restreaming to platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and X simultaneously, multi-session events for conferences or training programs, and capacity for up to 3,000 live attendees. For organizations dealing with compliance and security concerns, Livestorm is ISO 27001 certified and GDPR compliant with EU-hosted infrastructure available. This isn't just a webinar tool, it's an enterprise-grade solution. So far, we really feel that Livestorm is the most polished, user-friendly choice for professional webinars because it solves the technical friction that kills most online events. Its browser-based simplicity and powerful automation and AI features make it a standout for any growing team looking to scale. If you're ready to stop fighting your software and start engaging your audience, you should definitely give it a try. Check out the description below to get the sign-up link. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.